This is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research to talk about watching the street in Indonesia. This product looks at consensus recommendation, consensus earnings estimates, and consensus target price upsides or downsides to understand what's happening in the country. So if we start with consensus recommendations, we can see that the bottom-up country relative consensus recommendation chart is on the upper right, and analyst recommendations have been gradually improving over the past 5 years, and now Indonesia is on the verge of analysts calling it a buy. Companies with the most positive recommendations, well, the top 3 are all related to construction in Indonesia. The company WTON isn't in construction, but is a precast concrete manufacturer. Companies with the most negative recommendations are gold and nickel miners, INCO and ANTM. They're having a tougher time and are among the most negative. If we look at consensus earnings estimates, we can see consensus EPS growth estimates versus actual EPS growth. Expectations have been 10 to 15% EPS growth, but Indonesia has seen 4 years of falling earnings. Earnings estimates in 2016 are lower at 4%. Now, analysts expect that the palm oil producer AALI is about to turn from a poor net profit in 2015 due to improving crude palm oil price. And when we look at companies with the lowest consensus EPS growth estimates, well, 3 of them, PTBA, ADRO, and ITMG, are all in the coal business. EPS is expected to be lower, but share price performance has been strong for all in 2016. And finally, consensus target price. We can see consensus target price expected return versus actual return. Analysts were negative from 2012 to 2014, but only guessed the right direction of the market in 2013. Target price expected return and actual return are currently in line, but the year's not over yet. Now, companies with the highest consensus target price expected return, one of them is EXCL, which is part of one of the largest telecom groups in Asia. The ADA group, but faces tough competition from Telecom Indonesia. Now, 4 companies, ANTM, ITMG, INCO, and ADRO, have among the most negative recommendation or lowest EPS growth estimates. Want more of our research? Well, sign up for our newsletter at becomeabetterinvestor.net/join.